Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna teach you one type of lists, which is UL. Unordered list means entity or not arranged list. First, how the tag is being written. You will write in this form UL and enter. And inside this one, inside UL, we need to write another element which is LI. LI means list, and each LI is considered as one item of the list. For example, if you want to write 10 items, you need to write 10 LIs. And let's do it practically. So here we have one LI. Let's copy this one and paste. We have 3 LIs here, which means we have 3 items inside the list. And let's give a text to each LI of them. For example, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And let's go to see the result of this in the live server. How see it make the list for me in this form. And also we can make nested list, which means list inside the list. So for example, if this li, the last element of our list, contains a list, you will write in this form ul and enter. And inside this one you will write li element. For example, let's write 3 LIs here, and inside this one we will write our items. Some text, for example, good, bad, and very good. And let's go to see the result of this one in the live server. How you see it make it a nested list for me in this form. And now you learn how to make a list and how to make a nested list. And here we finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video, and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.